Welcome. You're on KAVU Creative. We'll create a fresh design using simple geometry. Follow along as we build it together. In this lesson, we'll create a triangle mosaic pattern using Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin. Select the artboard tool. Double-click to open the panel. Enable Show Center Mark. Click OK. We only need the stroke, so turn off the fill. Select the rectangular grid tool from the toolbar. Hold the Alt key, then left-click on the center mark. Set both the width and height to 300 pixels, and confirm the values. Now set both the horizontal and vertical dividers to 4. Press OK. Select Pen tool from Toolbar. Draw each line carefully. Use the Shift key while drawing to maintain straight lines. Finish the line by connecting the 2 points. Press and hold Ctrl. Then click outside the artwork to end the path. Take your time with this step. Select All and select Shape Builder tool. Swap Stroke to fill. A plus icon appears when shapes are merged. Click each outline individually to convert it into a shape. Hold the Alt key to subtract shapes. It shows a minus sign. Right-click and select Ungroup. Select All and use the Eyedropper tool to change the color. Next, adjust the color of specific shapes with the Eyedropper tool. By holding the Control key, the eyedropper temporarily switches to the Selection tool. Delete the unwanted shape. Now, select everything. Select the Rotate tool. Hold the Alt key, and Left-click on the center. Enter an angle as 180 degrees. And click Copy to duplicate it. Select the duplicate shape and press Delete key. Now select everything again. Go to the Object menu and choose Expand. Check both Fill and Stroke, then click OK. Open the Pathfinder panel and choose Divide. Select the Magic Wand tool. Click the white outline. Then press the Delete key to remove it. No issues here. The design is progressing as expected. If this was helpful, a simple like goes a long way. Join the journey and subscribe for more from KAVU Creative. Keep going and improve with practice. Thanks for your time.